Kejingwan ng job jong kaklam COVID-19 ya kaperthai kalapan kenja jar hakini ki arsnam ya barok kiri jong kaperthai. Kalapan jengai kejing dai si para briu, bat kalakta ru wat ya kejing mani blai jong ki pait riungat. Mentau senam arhajar arpuar kabalong kejing dap si spa senam kejingwan yuk kjat ki khun u Don Bosco bakut ban pen priang ya kejing im tip riu tip blai ban long kiriu it ri bat ban buram bat penek pensa ya kariti kedustur ha kejing syakri blai nakal yang uklido jong kejelan yang ba Shillong u Archbishop Victor Lingdo ula khot la wer ya ki pa jong blai ban wan ya sem benta ha kejing le niam ha ka lai tarik mentau benai risau arhajar arpuar ha kejing ya don lang u nongmih kmat jong upup u don siu jong kari India Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, but Father Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez, u nongmih bujli jong Don Bosco bakut. Syuk-syuk, u Archbishop ula pentip ru baka procession, kabala hap ban pensange hakini ki arsnam nakadaw jong klam COVID-19, an penlong haka khat lai tarik unai wing arja apuar.
Ngi kwa ban pentip syapi. Ba ka ICC kansa le purom ya ka centenary celebration jong ka jingwan jong ke fara Salesian ha ka lai tarik mentau benai Oktober arja arfuar bat ngi wer ngi khot ya baro kilingdo kironium ki nonglab ha ki Salesian cooperators bat baro ki paralok parjor baneshim benta ha kane ka jingle aniam ka bakrau Ununcio Jogar India Jongi, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, Shillong Kongsan Hakajing, Kenya Eucharist Bakut, Hakajing Don Langru of Father Rector Major, Nangta Kapor Nosni, Hakapor Arbaji Sadon, Kajimani Sacrament, but Kajing Kerku. Namarkatang, you wearing caught. Ya barok ban simbeta hakani ka sisa kan mau ya ka centenary jong ka jingwan jong ki fara Salesian nang tapadero haubnai November khatlai tarik arja arpuar hadin ba arsnem ngila du no ya ka procession ba jong ka Shillong ICC na mar ka don ka klam mentapat ngai ngu yo play na mar ka klam kala ja ngila long ki balai lot ban rakhe yakani procession ba ajongi sachi sen ni wer khot ya baro na ru kiling do kronium ba ki pai ba baro ban simbeta sha kani ka procession ba mania dwai lang na ka banta ka jingar khu je uplay ka ji thali bar ka jing lai lot ba shisha na ka jing sneu jo kani ka parthai
Shanta Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar, the institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation, and doctorate courses. The state of the academic facilities of Shanta Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shanta Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.